Hey guys, Jacob here. Let's talk about the GENICOOK flexible silicone lid Tupperware. So basically this has a flexible silicone insert here. It's kind of hard to see until you actually feel it, but I'm going to talk about if this is dishwasher safe, if you can microwave this or heat things up in this, but also everything that comes with this set from GENICOOK. It does come with a little basket that you can basically wash your food in, fruits, veggies that you need to wash anyway, and then essentially drain, put them into the glass container, and then you can put your lid on after. So this is gonna help preserve food, keep it fresh, and you don't have to worry about the lid fitting, the exact amount of fruit that's designed for this glass container here, because the lid expands to meet, however much food you put in the container. So I think that's kind of cool. Now, as far as washability, you can wash everything in the dishwasher. So everything that's included here, you get one larger one smaller one. Every component with these can all be put in the dishwasher. So no worries there. And the one thing that you do need to be careful with is the silicone lids. They do sometimes get a little bit more dirty. They attract some things, but you can easily wash those off. Again, dishwasher safe is fine, but you also cannot put anything really, really hot in this. You also don't want to microwave with this or, put anything super steaming hot, because the silicone is only rated for so much heat tolerance. The glass will be fine. The basket's probably fine too, but the silicone up here on the top is not designed to be microwaved or to have anything super warm in there. So let it cool down before you store it in these containers. And if you don't want to use the washer basket, then you just get an even bigger glass container. These are pretty large containers, pretty high capacity, especially the bigger one. The smaller one down here has its own mini basket and its own small glass container. So hopefully this answers some of the questions that you guys have. I also want to show you some actual fruit storage in this and what it might look like, but it feels really satisfying. I like how the lids go on easily. Many times I get Tupperware containers from brands and they don't go on very well. The lids don't really snap on easily. These from GENICOOK, the lids snap on wonderfully. That's super easy to use. There's no weird alignment going on with the lids. I don't know if you guys have ever had that experience, but it's annoying. So these lids look much better to me. And I think the silicone flexibility is definitely something that we're going to be interested in trying. Obviously, we haven't used these yet. GENICOOK sent these over to us so we could give our honest opinion on these, but my family and I are going to be using these over the coming weeks, and we'll give our updated opinion on how we like these. But we're upgrading to everything glass, as much glass as we possibly can, and I feel like these are a great option. So let's go into the kitchen and see what we can fit in these containers. Let's go. And it really is a complete setup, because I can basically take my veggies either straight from the garden or after I've chopped them up, put them in this basket. I can wash them, strain them, and then we can go back into the Tupperware container. So let's wash up these cucumbers. And then this fits perfectly back into the glass bowl. And then let's see, I've got quite a bit of cucumber in here. It's overflowing. Can we fit the flexible silicone lid on top? And yes, we can. So you can see that it fits to expand any sort of food that you've got that maybe just a bit going over the top. So it's super nice to have to keep everything fresh. I love, again, how easy the lids are to actually use. It's not like I'm struggling to tighten or lock the lids. Super easy to use. And I can actually see everything that's in here. Sometimes with container lids, they're kind of hard to tell what I'm actually storing in here. So having that is awesome. I feel like it just combines a lot of really useful things into one, which I'm definitely in favor of in the kitchen. So I hope this was helpful for you, and I'm wishing you an amazing rest of your day.